What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. We're gonna do some more fishing today. Never been to this river, decided to try it out, so don't know if we'll catch anything, but it's a beautiful day, so we'll just enjoy the day. And then also got some dinner planned. Well, I found this little pocket right down from where I parked the truck. There's a lot of people out today. I mean, it is Sunday, so we'll throw it a couple times, see how it is, and then just keep moving along the river. So it's a plan. Beautiful day out though. It's so windy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just throwing that all the way to the left. So we'll see if it dies down here in a little bit, but it's cold too. Went down the river a little bit. Just do a couple casts here and see. Switched the spinner up to a Panther Martin, just a tiny little Panther Martin. So I've had pretty good luck with this thing, so see how it does. It's so windy. I'm sure you guys maybe can't even hear me. Like, I can't even cast. Well, no luck there. Moved down the river. I knew I should have brought my fly rod, but there's like so many people at the spot that I want to go to, but so I don't know. We'll do a couple more hours of fishing probably, and then call her good. It's just pretty windy, and it's a lot colder than I thought it was gonna be. So, like, there's literally 4 people right below that bridge, and then over by that bridge there's like some rock cliffs. That's where I wanted to go, and there's like 4 vehicles parked over there. Saw some people on the rocks, so I don't know. It's probably better to go on a weekday because it is Sunday, so, and it is pretty nice, so maybe that's why everybody's out. I don't know. I guess I've never really fished here, so I don't know how many people are usually here, but there's quite a bit, so it's good to keep in mind next time I'm up here, because I want to do some truck camping up here. But I was thinking about doing it tonight, but it's pretty cold and it's supposed to get down like 15 degrees or something. All I got is a buddy heater. I mean, it works, but I don't know. So we'll do a couple more casts, maybe call it quits. Maybe I'll go back down a little bit, but yeah. Well, moved down the river a little bit. No luck yet. My hands are freezing from this wind. If this wasn't so windy, it'd be such a beautiful day, but my hands, I didn't wear the right stuff for this, I guess. Wasn't windy where I'm at, so living, but not now. I think I might go hike around a little bit, see what's around here. Like all this, you can camp, so I just want to see what else is out there, like camp spot wise. And then maybe once I warm up, go back to doing some more fishing, but it's just pretty chilly, so I didn't bring the right stuff. So yeah, let's go for a quick hike and see what's around. Well, made it to this little hill full of gravel, but just look at these views. It's so beautiful. Having these mountains right next to you. I'll tell you what, I'm blessed, you know, for where I live. In the summertime, it's beautiful. Like I said, I've never camped or fished down here. I've drove through it, but yeah, just actually looking around and paying attention more, like it's beautiful. So maybe we'll go back down to the truck, cook some food, or maybe go back fishing. Don't know for sure, but yeah. Alright, took a little break, do some more fishing just for a little bit, maybe for like just an hour, and then cook some food. I don't want to cook food when it starts getting too late and it gets colder, so yeah, put a rooster tail on, so see how it is. Oh. Well, I had one on. If I got that clip, it came off and then got snagged, but at least had one hit. But yeah, just using this rooster tail, kind of just throwing whatever I can at them, but it's been really slow, really cold, but hopefully something happens. But I'm excited for dinner, so that's for sure. Well, No luck. So go back, cook some delicious dinner, and enjoy that. All right, for dinner, we just got an elk tenderloin. I've been marinating in all sorts of different stuff, so I'm gonna cook that. Also with these potatoes, some cheesy potatoes with bacon on it. So yeah, let's get cooking. Yeah, there we go. That'll be good. Get some paper towels. Off the tailgate. Tailgate's probably gonna smell bad. No. Potatoes are already seasoned, and I think they're kind of already like pre-cooked. So we'll just throw them on the Blackstone and cook them up a little bit. Throw some cheese and some bacon. But yeah, the steak's looking good. There it is, the final product. Cheesy bacon potatoes with some tenderloin. Looks amazing. Can't get over how good that looks. So good. Well, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this meal. I don't know if I can eat all of it, but I'll let you guys know how it was. Well, that is probably the best meal I have ever cooked in the back of this truck and on my previous trucks that I've had. I did not think I was going to be able to finish all that, but I did because it was so good. So let's get everything cleaned up, and then I think it's probably time to head home. So as much as I wish I could stay, but I guess I'll get this cleaned up real quick and I'll get back. Well guys, it's time to head out. Pretty easy cleanup, just a day trip. Sorry didn't catch any fish, but I guess that's why it's called fishing. Still was glad I was able to get out and enjoy the day. The sun's out, so this is a beautiful day, just a little windy, made it a little chilly, but the food made up for it. So yeah, all around it was a good day. Yeah, thanks for watching guys.